Just made it to Walmart, picked up some items for the new meal that Hung Bae will be cooking. We're gonna be doing some chicken wings, some fried bacon, jalapeno poppers, chicken breast. We got the sauces. Let's see what Hung Bae will be making today. Back at it again with Hung, Master Chef. We're gonna do some special cooking tonight for some dinner. This is how we're making it for 3 people instead of 1. We got Angel on the knife with the chicken tenders. We got Hung going Salt Bae on the potato.
Now we're ready for it.
Look at that, look at that. So beautiful. So Hung, right now, what flavors are we doing for the chicken wings?
We have a garlic palm. We also have a hot buffalo, a spicy garlic. What else do we have ready? We have a hot honey mustard, and we have a dry desert heat.
Awesome, awesome. So some of the ingredients that we have today that we'll be using to season the wings. We got the hot wing sauce, great value. We got the buffalo wing sauce. We got the zesty lemon sauce. The burgers and fries seasoning. Of course, we got the sour cream for the jalapeno poppers wrapped with the applewood bacon. We got the dairy pure dairy milk, low culture buttermilk. Of course, you got the jalapeno. And then Mr. Hung Bae got all the potato wrap ready to get baked. And of course, we got the chicken on deck. Angel just seasoned with pepper and some salt for the tenders. So we about to. Are we gonna fry them, Angel?
Oh yeah, we're gonna bread them then fry them.
We're gonna bread them and fry them. That's right. So all this video right here, all these episodes will be shot on iPhone 6. And so the iPhone 8 is about to come out. It's gonna retail at $1,000 for 128 gigabytes, $1,100 for 256 gigabytes. But apparently, everything's been improved. You have wireless charging. You have improved fingerprint recognition, faster processing, and everything. So, and better camera system. If this is the case, you know, making videos and doing vlogs and creating content will be easier than ever. Hopefully in the future, we'll be able to edit all our videos and photos more professionally, all on our mobile phones, with no need of laptop. You know, obviously, this is where the future is going, and giving people the power to do anything, create anything they want, tell the stories they want to share. So Hung, I see that you're preparing the jalapeno poppers and you're basically removing the center. What are you doing? What are you gonna do with all the center pieces?
I'm gonna combine it with the buffalo sauce, basically. So the funny thing about jalapeno poppers, it's not the seeds that make it spicy. It's basically right here, their stem. It has a lot of oils in it. So the stem right here is the one that makes it spicy. Just the seed doesn't make it spicy.
The more you know. And then this is gonna be made into a sauce, or is it gonna be put back into the popper?
What's up?
Is this will be made into a dipping sauce?
Yeah.
Okay.
It'll be made into a dipping sauce.
Super spicy, y'all. Angel just prepared the flour for the tenders. Here we go. Got it, son. Got it.
I like it.
Look at that. Isn't that relaxing, y'all? Look at that. So good. So fluffy. So, Hung, while you were in culinary school, do you still keep in contact with any of your classmates?
Oh, dude, I keep in contact with most everybody we graduated from.
In what way do you keep contact?
Usually through FaceTime or through Facebook.
That's crazy.
Most of the time, yeah.
So that's, you said last episode that you have 40 people in your class. Do you keep in touch with all 40 people?
I'd say more like 20 of them, if anything. I'd say more 20. They're all busy with their lives right now, trying to succeed. You know,
Would you say your classmates are very hardworking?
Some of them. Some of them. There's a few that are top tier shit.
Yeah.
I don't know how they graduated, but you know, God works in a lot of ways.
Angel just poured some of the buttermilk into this pan, and now he's mixing in the floured chicken tenders into the buttermilk. Why are you doing this right now? What's this for, Angel?
Get it extra crispy.
Mhm.
Get it all tender.
What kind of flavor would this add to the chicken?
No, buttermilk doesn't really have that much flavor. It just helps it make it more juicy, tender. Pretty much it.
That's awesome. So, will there be any additional seasoning, or is that for the dip?
That's for the dip, I guess.
What kind of dipping what are you going to make?
Honey mustard.
Honey mustard is basic right there. Honey mustard. You got honey, you got mustard, and then you got the chicken ingredient. Shout out to Mike and D. I know y'all missing this. So we're popping out the bacon. While we were discussing what we were gonna cook for dinner tonight, I urgently requested bacon wrapped in chicken wing. Apparently that's not doable with the setting that we have. So we're just gonna wrap the bacon in the jalapeno popper. That's right. So we got these seasoning right here, which is the burger and fry seasoning with salt. Super addictive. We're gonna try some right now. It's like candy. Probably not good for your health or blood pressure, but that's what you got. You taste everything. The result of buttermilk combined and fused with floured chicken. We got Hung filling up the poppers, the jalapeno with the sour cream sauce.
Cream cheese, dog.
Oh, cream cheese.
Cream cheese, homie.
Cream cheese. So what's the sour cream for?
For the potatoes.
For the potatoes. That's right. We're making potatoes.
Yeah, we are.
Yes, sir. Have you ever made jalapeno poppers before?
Oh, all the time.
All the time. Huh?
Yeah, I used to do this a lot when I come home from school.
Mm-hmm.
Because my parents used to work till like 4 or 5. So I'm usually home alone. So I'll make this usually when I get home.
Is there any special secret that you do, or is this just regular chefing it up?
Nah, no secrets. It's just a jalapeno popper. It's real simple. Cream cheese, jalapeno.
Do you add any seasoning? Like this?
Nah, I'm not gonna add any seasoning because it's gonna overpower it, if anything.
Bacon has all the seasoning.
Yeah. Plus we have applewood that we're gonna lace it with.
Oh, okay. That's what the bacon, right?
Yeah.
Gotcha. Yo, we got the jalapeno poppers finalized. Angel over here finalizing the setup, the prep. It's legit a blessing to have friends who are chef, and you get to eat some good gourmet food. But all the ingredients definitely cost me $70, $60. So, but the cooking though, charge it up.
You pay a lot more eating this at a restaurant.
Yeah,
So much more.
exactly. Because this is, you know, this right here, if we cooked all this, this would be easily, let's say you go to Cane's Chicken, you buy the box combo, which is 4 tenders, that's $8. Right here is easily 20.
You make it even close.
Do the math,
Yeah.
and that's a couple, that's already $60 right here. And then the jalapeno poppers, you know, $5 for 2, $5 for 3. Let's make that happen. So we got over here like 1, 2, 3.
We got a little fancy too. With
Got
that
12.
Tampo.
Okay. Just add a little bit of that breadcrumb. So we got home about to lace the jalapeno poppers with the applewood bacon. That's right. I'm already drooling in my mouth, man. This looks good. I can smell the bacon. I know all y'all out there probably asking yourself, what restaurant can I go to get this? The homemade restaurant. In Houston, Texas, 1235 Tanglewood Drive, 75682.
Shut the fuck up. Just like my address on me.
Well, they don't know that.
You get hate later.
Hey, can I get what you been up to? I see you cooking for cancer patients.
Oh, you know, you could have just gave him the address to his job.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you know sure? I made it up. I don't have good memory. Well, actually, I don't even remember. So, Angel, this is about $60 worth of chicken. How much was the ingredients though?
Chicken breast was like $8, buttermilk like $2, and the flour $3.
Look at that. That's literally $13 for about $60 worth of meal. Easily.
The fucking fridge.
Got it.
Homie Sean just bought some Krispy Kreme. Hey, what's up, Sean?
Black kid, the only best donuts I
There you go.
Yeah, we fuck with Team Crispy. There ain't no Shipley donut, ain't no Dunkin' Donuts.
Spike me.
Fuck that shit, man.
Spike me.
Jeez.
Alright, we got Hunter lacing the bacon onto the jalapeno poppers with the toothpick. So what does the toothpick provide for the food?
It basically keeps the bacon in place, and basically bacon is really oily, it's really fatty too. So by putting this in place, it's not gonna slip off, and it's just gonna come out great, basically.
It's not good.
We're suing.
That's it. I told him not to tell him. What do you do?
So let's check this out. Let's check out what Sean brought. The Krispy Kreme.
Donuts.
The donuts. So we're gonna open it up. Look at that. Oh snap.
I'm getting stuck right now.
You got the chocolate chip, got the green Ranger donut with the caramel, with chocolate, with the raisin bread, and of course you got the Homer Simpson donut, the frosted flakes. I'll just place all the jalapeno poppers with the bacon wrap onto the grill pan, and this is before. And not too long after,
That should be good.
That's a lot.
how you just got. What is this? What is this, Angel?
So we ran out of buttermilk, so we basically melted some butter and Mix it with some milk.
Well, that's one way to make buttermilk. Now we're using this for what now?
For the chicken wings.
Okay. So I see you got the chicken wings prepared here.
Yep.
And how did you prepare it?
Well, salt and pepper and just some red pepper. Yeah, just some.
Basic red pepper, yeah.
Yeah, red pepper.
That's awesome.
Ready for this?
Yo, do it again. Do
Oh,
it.
it's too much peppers.
So we got Hung making the special sauce for the chicken. This is garlic with honey, cayenne peppers, and honey mustard or horseradish. There you go. What's that? Salt?
Salt, sugar.
Sugar.
Hey bro, can you put some aluminum butter?
So we got Hung whisking the sauce right now, fusing the flavors. Have you ever done this mix before, Hung?
Nah, not at all.
I guess it'll be a surprise flavor attack. It could either be really good or really bad. What do you think?
I think probably be really good.
Here we go. Taste itself.
Wow.
Damn, this got too loose. Yeah, you added too much milk.
Yeah, looks like it.
God damn it, huh?
It'll still work.
Alright, so I'll be tasting it just to see how it goes. Whoa. That's that secret sauce. I'm telling you, you can open a Hung Bay restaurant. Everybody be coming just to get this sauce right here. That's the exclusiveness stuff. So basically the sauce tastes like it has this tint of spice. The horseradish has that flavor tint set into it, and then you got the honey and the mustard. So really it's a very complimentary combination of food tastes. So I think that's gonna be real good. A+, Hung. Good job, bro. Hung, do you cook every day, or do you prefer to eat out?
I don't cook anymore as often as I used to. Because I'm a manager now of a restaurant in
Oh,
Westheimer, Lucas.
So you eat mostly at your restaurant?
Yeah.
That's what we do. So Hung is obviously the master of making sauces. I'm telling y'all, this sauce is a game changer. If Kane has the Kane sauce, and Chick-fil-A has the Chick-fil-A sauce, this is the Hung Bay sauce right here. Y'all would love this. Too bad. Maybe one day we'll allow y'all to taste this. Maybe we'll make this and we'll ship it out worldwide. Every single Walmart in America. Sounds like a multi-million-dollar idea.
Nah, we ain't sellouts.
Imagine Hung's face on every single bottle of sauces. So Hung, like you told me, you just what special sauce you make at North Shore Poke? Shout out.
That Mulan Szechuan sauce?
Oh, you mean the 1998 sauce?
Hell yeah, you already know what it is, dog.
The one that Rick gotta wait 97 years to get.
It's that good.
97 years?
Yeah, it's a secret menu item.
Okay.
So keep that low key.
Low key.
You guys can.
So like if we go to North Shore Poke in Houston, Texas, what do we gotta say to get that Szechuan sauce flavor?
Just say where Mulan at.
Y'all heard it from Master Hung Bay. Where the Mulan at? Okay, so what we doing in this next round of sauce making?
I'm making the buffalo sauce right now.
Well, actually, walk in and be like, when the Mulan, they're just gonna be looking at them.
They're gonna lock all the doors. It's like, all right, take it out, take it out, take it out.
And mostly everyone's Asian in there, so they might be offended.
Shit, you added some minced garlic. So what's that gonna do for the flavor?
It's gonna be a spicy garlic.
Okay.
Come on, you gotta use that forearm.
Do it, mate. Do it, bro. Yo, God bless to Salt Bay, cause you changed the game. Changed the game. About to do this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
And you always need a little bit of cracked black pepper.
Black crack pepper. Okay, gotcha.
And that flick of the wrist.
The flick of the wrist. All right, look, you guys. I wasn't prepared for the fact that all this and the potato in the oven and the rest of the wings
And the jalapeno.
and the jalapenos and all these sauces, and we got a third sauce coming up. We didn't prepare for all this to be in our stomach tonight. One day we're gonna host a live show. We want to invite some of you guys out, and then all this will be sampled for each of us. We can share the blessings. Master Hung Bay, Master Angel Bay. Yeah. That's the head nod of satisfaction and approval. You got me? So you just added melted butter into the sauce?
Yeah. Make it more butter.
You got the ASMR of Angel washing his hands.